Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to create a group in Signal. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to Signal and open your browser of course and go to signal.org. And here I will just translate this page to English real quick. Here we go. And now just click on get Signal. As you can see, it can be on Android, iPad or download for Windows. So let's download it for Windows. And now what I'm going to do is simply wait until it's fully downloaded and then I will install it. The same goes for you in Android or iOS. So Android, iPhone, you can just click on one of these or visit signal.org so install from your phone and it will show directly which phone you have. Now let's click in here and let's start with the installation. Let's wait a little bit and here we go. Now let's okay, what is this? Okay, so let's wait a little bit more, and here it is. Now what I'm going to do is anyway, I will just have to actually open it through my phone. So let me just install it on my phone and then scan this code and be right back for you guys. And back to you guys. So now what I'm going to do is link a device or my phone to my device. Here it is, finish linking phone. And here it is. So this is the Signal application on my PC. Now let's just wait until it fully signs in, connects and everything. And here it is. So now for you to actually create a group, all you need to do is click on here, new conversation, and simply go to new group and add the people that has Signal in that group. Of course, you can skip it, create the name, for example, M, and here click on create. And here it is. So that's the group of Signal. So I created it in a couple minutes, like 2 minutes now, and I have created successfully my Signal account or Signal group. So guys, that's what it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.